Hey you guys, we're gonna make a birthday basket, and this is gonna be for my sister, which she is turning the big 40. So hey girl, I added vinyl decal on this. This is from the dollar store and it says happy birthday, and I thought a cute little bow, red bow, would be nice, and the rest is blank. So isn't that cute? The first thing I'm gonna add in there is a water bottle. I picked this up at Target. No, I picked this up at Walmart for, I think it was $1. This is a 22-ounce stainless steel water bottle. I think this is so cute. And it fits perfect in the basket. The next thing I picked up is an extra large Hershey's chocolate bar. Oh, I don't want it to rip. And that is adorable right there. A little bit of chocolate. Who doesn't like chocolate on their birthday? The next thing I picked up was this comb. Look at how cute that is. Isn't this just plain adorable? I love the cheetah print. Is that what it is? I love that cheetah print. So I'm going to put that right there. The next thing I picked up is this deep conditioning co-wash from Pantene Pro-Vene. I thought it would go perfect with the comb. And that's going to go in there. I'm also going to add this adorable money holder that I made. Isn't that cute? And I just die cut the 40 and the little coffee, and I did it in the white. You can do it in any color you want. Now we're going to go ahead and add some money. So you can add whatever you want. Make sure when you're adding the money that the heads go up, just because you want it to look really nice and presentable when you put it in there. You can add whatever amount of money you want, but you want the heads to go up. So we're gonna add this. Ooh, shouldish. Like so. And then I wanna add one more thing. When I found the comb, I found this scrunchie. You guys, wear scrunchies. It's better on your hair and it's safer on your hair. And I love how this matches. Isn't this cute? So when she's done co-washing her hair, she can put on the scrunchie. I thought that was a cute idea. And they have a ton of them at the dollar store. So we're gonna go ahead and place it like so. Maybe I wanna place this here and this at the back. Yeah, I think I like that even better. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. Let me grab some tape really quick. Now these bags, I picked them up on Amazon, and I think they fit perfect for these baskets in the dollar store. And you get a ton of them. So they're really cheap. Don't think I spend $1 million on the bags. And then you bring it up like so. Look at how cool that looks. Can you guys see? Yeah. So for these bags, all I do is I grab the corner and I bend it. And I'm going to bring it around so you can see. And I put some tape. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Bend it at the corner. And bring it back. Once you got it where you want it, grab it tight. Put some tape on there. Make sure it does not move. And that's good. And see how adorable that is? Now you could buy them smaller, but these bags actually fit the big baskets from the dollar store as well. And I suggest you do not buy them smaller, because you can also use them for the dollar store baskets. Now I'm going to go ahead and get purple ribbon. Sorry. I actually put a little bit of tape on here and now it just does not want to come out. Okay, so let me show you really quick how I do the top. But I want to get my ribbon here. This is just regular purple ribbon. I thought it would go nice since I do have the water bottle purple. That is gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna cut some of this off. Now usually where I cut is the line right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll show you right now. Yes. Can you guys see this? This is actually very nice. Now I cut too much ribbon. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna chop this up in a minute. I cut way too much ribbon. Look at how gorgeous this is gonna look. And I'm just gonna make a bowl. And I like it when my bowls just hang. Or maybe I didn't cut a lot of ribbon, so that's good. I like it when my bowls hang like that, like all dramatic. I don't know why. It actually hides like the whole basket, which I do not mind. Okay, so I'm just gonna scrunch the top off and I'm gonna cut a third off the top, and that's it. I like to cut a third off the top so the basket won't weigh down. And then I just fluff it up like that. Look at how cute that looks. Isn't that adorable? Now you can cut as much as you want from the top. I'm gonna cut a little more, just a little more. And I like it like that. Now, if you have any problems, grab your scissors and just eyeball it and cut away till you have it how you like it. Now you can leave the bowl like this, like me, or you can just make it smaller. If it's way too big for you, I understand. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that. I really don't know why I like it. But you see the basket. So I think like this would be better. So you can go ahead and just, you know, see the basket, but this weighs that down. I think like that. And then go ahead and just fix it up. Once you have it like you want it, then you are all done. I really like the way it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and fix up the bowl just a little bit more. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys. I'm just gonna do it just a little smaller like that. And then I'm gonna cut it down. So I think that is very cute. So I'm just gonna cut it down and then let me go ahead and fix it really quick. So there you go. I just cut the bowl and I fixed it, and you have yourself a little adorable, cute gift basket. I hope you guys make one. Let me know what you think about it. And until next time, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll leave my Instagram as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And until next time, bye you guys.